götürdük be. Cennette.
Aynen öyle. Sana 150.
Haydi buyurun.
Hey everyone, I'm Ufuk Bulut. Today I'm taking you to one of the most authentic places in Izmir, Havra Street. It's right in the heart of the city, a place where history still breathes through every sound, smell and color. The name Havra comes from the old Jewish synagogues that once filled this area. But today it's a vibrant street where cultures, flavors and people meet. Starting from the clock tower in Konak, it only takes a few minutes on foot to reach here. Yet once you step into the street, everything changes. The rhythm slows down. The smell of grilled fish fills the air, pans sizzle, and vendors call out with their signature Izmir warmth. Come, take a look, everything's fresh today. Havra Street isn't just a market, it's where the real soul of Izmir still lives. At sunrise, the street wakes up with the sound of shutters opening. Bakers prepare the first breads, vegetables are stacked, and shop owners greet each other with a smile and a simple good morning. Every corner tells a story, not just of food, but of the people who've been here for generations. The textures, the colors, the voices, all blend into something uniquely Izmir. If you really want to understand this city, don't stop at the fancy streets or seaside cafes. Come here. Walk these narrow paths, hear the stories, feel the energy, because Izmir breathes through Havra Street.
Haydi buyurun.
Aynen öyle. Sana 150.
Adam soruları üzerine, at soruları üzerine.
Cennetten meyve götürdük be. Cennette.